How to fix Facebook not sending SMS code on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open your Facebook, or you will go just to settings of your Facebook like this, and then you will go directly to, as you see, application or apps. Then you will search for Facebook. As you see, I'm searching for Facebook now. Yeah, and when you found it, you will open it, and you will go to storage, and you will go to the last step, or to the bottom of the screen, and click on clear data. Then you will click OK, and now your problem will fixed. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.